Stairlin is a one-stop shop for self-employed in Switzerland.
Where there is a solution to help them out and get them into the digitalization.
You need Stairlin if you want to start and grow your business.
The ability to manage the various needs of their company all in one place.
And simply enjoy the service that you need.
Hi, my name is Cédric, and in this video series, we want to show you the future of payments by analyzing startups in this space, giving you the insights from the founder, a payment expert, and myself. In this first video, we are going to have a closer look at a startup called Stairlin. Let's go. When you own your own business, you wear many hats in order to take care of all aspects of your company, such as finance, administration, and communication. Stairlin, which was founded in 2017, gives these entrepreneurs and freelancers the ability to manage the various needs of their company all in one place. Open the app to deal with invoices, payments, making schedules, taking care of accounting, phone calls, emails, and much more. Customers can make appointments and communicate through Stairlin as well. Stairlin knows that the easier it is to make appointments, the more appointments customers will get. They also streamline the ability to both collect and make payments. Stairlin is simple to use and 100% online, so everyone can open an account in minutes and start benefiting right away from this one-stop shop for independence.
What we're trying to achieve with Stairlin is to make the whole customer journey seamless. When you think about starting a business, it's not really complicated, but it's just that you're not really served by any software company. So what we want is simply that they think, just like you think that you need an office or you need a phone number, that it just makes sense to have this to run a business. They would think about Stairlin. You need Stairlin if you want to start and grow your business, managing your schedule, managing payments, and managing interaction with your customers. I would say that the two most important things is finding the time when you're available, when the person that provides the service is available. The second thing is actually paying for the service. What we aim to achieve with payment on Stairlin is to make it as frictionless as possible. You don't think about payments anymore.
Next, let's watch Matias Malaya, country manager of PAYONE Switzerland AG, a real expert in payments and who frequently interacts with payment solution providers to see what the latest innovation and trends are and hear his unfiltered opinion of Stairlin.
I see a big potential because a lot of self-employees are touched with digitalization and they don't know where to go, and where there is a solution to help them out and get them into the digitalization, to book the appointments, to handle invoices and all this stuff. I think one of the biggest challenge for them will be they want to include payment as well in their platform. That's something which is possible. Something which is also really challenging because they have different self-employees which want to accept payments by credit cards or debit cards, and they interact as like a e-money license player, and they need to have different licenses. So as soon as they start getting into payments, there will be a big challenge of the rules and regulations of the international card schemes, of AML and all this stuff. I think it's more like, we call it in the cashless payment, the payment facilitator. So they accept payments for their customer and share afterwards the money with them. And it's going to take a while because of also the accounting systems of the different clients.
Well, I hope you have now insights into a company from various perspectives, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to tune in on 13th of February 2020 to watch StudioONE, the first live streaming event presented by PAYONE to discuss the future of payments. See you there.